Saki mbwembwe na kwele mchele kwa kuku kumwaga. Sako na wapenda haya tusema nitasikia.
Thank you very much for having this opportunity to express my passion in nursing profession in the Unite Passion Project. My name is Venance Kahindi. I'm a nursing officer here in Tanzania, currently working with Muhimbili University of Health and Allied Sciences as a clinical instructor for students in their clinical placement in the hospital, and also the clinical skills laboratory coordinator in the skills laboratory. So here we instruct students and teach them with new procedures before they touch or do this procedure to really passion a hospital. As I said before, my passion is in nursing profession. I have been passionate with it and admired to become a nurse because of the encouragement that I got from my parents. Because when I was young, I showed them caring character when they fall sick. So through this one, they encouraged me to study hard in science subjects so that in the future I could become a doctor or a nurse. So I walked into this dream. I worked hard in my secondary education so that I could pass my science subjects that could help me to join in medical university. So I studied hard in my secondary education despite of the challenges that I had. For example, I used to walk a long distance to school in the morning and also in the evening when I go back home. And sometimes I slept in the class because of tiredness. And also when I come back home, I have no plenty of time to do my self-study during the evening because I have to fulfill some different activities like fetching water and cooking and going to the farm. So all this were the stumbling block toward my my education in secondary education. And also when I started during the night, I used the kerosene lamp because there was no electricity in my village. So I really faced hardship in my education, but because of being self-determined and also being dedicated and efforts that I applied, I successfully finished my secondary education high pass mark that allowed me to join in Muhimbili University of Health and Allied Sciences to pursue a Bachelor of Science in Nursing. This university receives a student who has high pass mark, especially the first class and second only. So here at this university, I fulfilled my dream of becoming a nurse, and also after my nursing education, I loved to work in the ICU because during my internship, after rotating to different departments, I found ICU an area of interest that I could work to apply my expertise, my knowledge and skills to patients who have complex illness, managing different machines, and also the things that I loved is to see patients who are critically ill recovering from these diseases. So I was very happy, and this motivated me even to volunteer in the intensive care unit at Muhimbili National Hospital after my internship, and also applying where I volunteered for 6 months in this hospital, and then I applied for a job at the Muhimbili Academic Medical Center, where I applied to work in the ICU because of the experience and knowledge and skills that I acquired during my internship and during my volunteering time. So I worked in the ICU for 1 year and a half, where I used to care complex patients from different medical conditions, and also because it was a teaching hospital, the university saw some potential in me that I could help students to instruct them and also to teach different skills before they touch really patient in hospital. So the university transferred me to join the academics to help to teach students the clinical skills of Bachelor and also in their clinical placement. So because it is teaching nursing, and nursing is the thing that I'm passionate with, so teaching is also a passion within nursing profession. So I would like to encourage young boys and girls to, despite of the challenge they may face, but with determination, efforts, they can fulfill the goals that they are planning to be. So I would like to encourage them to work hard in secondary school so that they become someone in life that they want to be, whatever the profession they like. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Nanipaga moyo nikianza kulia chozi nafutia.